This guide will walk you through the steps to access the Oxo Titan UI.
The first thing you'll need to do is install the Oxo Serve requirement. Open your terminal and run the following command. To explore additional options available with Oxo Serve, you can type the following command. The available options are the host and port to run the Flask app on, and refresh API key to generate a new API key when running the server. Once the necessary dependencies are installed, you can run the server with the default settings by typing Oxo Serve command. This command will provide some details about the server, including the API key. This key is essential for accessing the API securely. Oxo API Endpoint. This endpoint is used for interacting with the Oxo API. Oxo Titan UI Endpoint. This is the endpoint you will use to access the Oxo Titan UI. Let's go ahead and click on it. After clicking on the Oxo Titan UI endpoint, you can see the scanners page. From here you can configure your scanner and start your scanning journey. For more detailed guidance and advanced configurations, refer to the guides in the Oxo UI documentation. By following these steps, you can easily access the Oxo Titan UI and start managing your security scans efficiently.